Okay guys, got a 96 E320 here. I wasn't even going to make a video of this, but I think this would really help on a lot of other cars, especially European. So it's a Mercedes E320, and I got 3 misfires, 2, 4, and 6. Well, each coil runs 2 cylinders. So this coil is going to run this first cylinder here and the second cylinder that it's plugged into. Second one's going to run 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 is the last one. The issue here is I've got number 2, number 4, and number 6, where each coil sits before it fires the odd number coil. So I'm trying to think, what is there in common? There's no way I have 3 bad coils. Well, check this out. So down inside this cylinder, see how clean that spark plug is? Check out this one. Look at that. Boom. Odd number. Boom, even number. Each one where the coil sits in allows water to go into, and moisture, I don't know, from washing the car or what. Each odd does not. These ones are sealing up just fine. Each spot where the coil pack is not, and I've ground it out. So I hope this helps somebody out. I just wanted to show that somehow water is getting in between here, but it's not here. It's probably evaporating before it gets here, just a worse seal on the coil pack itself. So I hope this helps somebody out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.